Here at Doormatic, we regularly repair and replace garage doors. Very often, we notice the problem could have been avoided through proper maintenance. That's why we've created this video to outline the top 12 most common garage door problems and their solutions. Old garage door rollers. Garage door rollers will wear out over time. That's why you should replace rollers every 5 years. An automated garage door that won't close. If your automated garage door is not closing properly, check that the safety sensors are clean and adjusted correctly. Operator or motor rail lubrication has been neglected. Not all garage door openers need lubrication. The types that do require it will also need maintenance every 1 to 2 years. You should also lubricate the screw drive operator rails. However, never lubricate chains or belt drives. Garage door operator or motor has not been adjusted. If your door is losing strength or power, try adjusting the limit switches on the side of the motor. The garage door hinge lubrication has been neglected. Spray your garage door hinges with lubricant once a year to ensure smooth and quiet operation. The garage door is making unusual noises. A noisy garage door is often an indication that lubrication of moving parts is needed, though remember to be careful around springs. If the noise you've heard is a loud bang, this suggests a spring has broken, which must be replaced by a professional. The garage door is sticking or is completely stuck. A bent track or a broken component is usually the culprit for a garage door that is sticking or completely stuck. First check for obstructions and lubricate moving parts. Consult with a professional if the problem persists. The garage door has cracks in the door or sealant. Cracked doors or worn sealant will negatively affect how weathertight your door is. Replace any seals that are showing signs of wear and caulk any cracks in the door. The garage door does not close all the way. If your door is hitting the ground and reversing, check there are no obstructions in the path of the door and that nothing is obscuring the photo eye sensor. Also, look out for broken parts, bent tracks, or faulty cables. A professional can diagnose the exact problem and recommend a solution. The garage door does not stay open. If your garage door won't stay open, the most likely cause is a faulty spring. Fixing or replacing a spring is highly dangerous and should only be carried out by a trained expert. The garage door opens and closes too slowly. There are numerous possible causes of a sluggish garage door. That's why you need an expert opinion to correctly identify the issue and resolve it. The garage door closes too quickly. A snapped spring or cable is usually the reason for a fast-closing garage door. The damaged spring or cable will require replacement by a professional. We hope you found this video helpful. Here at Doormatic, we provide honest and objective advice on your garage door problems so you can make the right choice for your home. If you're in the Southeast, get in touch today.